Topi.
Jironya.
Masih dong
Bulan
ya.
topi.
Aduh.
So kami kalyo. Which kapasado pun so ali toro pun icha ado kindora. So anda jo so punya tojo kaki sto. So ne jo
Kaya
pas so.
So betul sa.
Asu.
Kanya!
Abyo!
Abyo!
Abyo! Semuanya mas itu sih.
Sida! Ayah, Asid, kanya sini aita na si. Gusto na, aja basta? Mama, ay ano kaya aso? Di ko yan, kaya ano, hepa, ginanap na. Ano hero to? Ayah, aso, mo tere hender lak make. Hepa, yamino. Ano hero to? Mami luar, ni so yung mundi. Henara, udah ko yung ano hajin na nukur. Udah sige ano inan sa nukur. Kaya maingay, udah yung ano mundi. Henasas duki-duki na. So ala project la hoy kujema. Sarmi, mundi la yulu ko sa chukuna. So ada mo, hindi la. Linda na kacho ko Jamás bem, yala doni. Kakuje. Ya.
Finding of dinosaurs is reported from Zero, a small town in the remote corner of India. It is sent a web of shock across the nation and worldwide. This giant creature has completely destroyed and rampaged the twin towns Zero and Haboli, creating an utter sense of fear and insecurity amongst the masses. Some of these bizarre species have been shot down by the Black Hawk sent by the Indian Air Force, while several more missing is reported. While no official reports of the rundown dinosaur by the Indian Army have come out, the local settlers have recovered nearly 7 massacred bodies of the dinosaurs. They find that many of the dinosaurs have driven away by the NSA. However, people are still clueless about the place where the dinosaurs have come from. The villagers think that those dinosaurs must have come from other places to the zero as a migrating rodents like the wild rats of the Aberdeen Plateau seasonally migrates from the forest to the other place. Dinosaurs too must have migrated to the other place. Now, with the protection provided by the National Security Agency and heavy patrolling of the Indian Air Force, the local people of Zero are safe and secure. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Research, Science and Technology has sent a team of scientists from Wildlife Institute of India on fact-finding missions to unravel the unexplainable phenomena of the extinct dinosaur coming to Zero. Thanks for joining us. This is WWN News.